I have two different pots, one for the potato and the corn and the egg, and the other one is for the crab. So my video is gonna be too long, so the crab's already boiled, so it's just sitting there for me to clean it up. Now that the corn and the potato and the egg is finished, I'm gonna remove them from the water, from the hot water, and then put them at the side and just wait till everything is good to go. You don't know, everything I go in a one pot, but this is my way of doing it. I like to cook it separate. You can do it together, but I prefer to do it like this. But Lisa, you like work. Why you never use the kitchen brush and just brush off the debris them off of the crab? No, I wanted you guys to see what I'm doing, and that's the reason why me and you